You know those contractors who behave as though they're in the prison yard? It's not just their foul behavior, it's the constant, unexpected costs that also feel criminal.
Hey, man. Yeah, we didn't see this coming. It's gonna be another $3,000. What the f mean, bro?
They make you behave like you're on the prison yard. Not so with Cope. When you hire us, you're choosing to have your home and your family treated with respect.
Hey, Jimmy. Work hard today.
Thanks.
Hey, Daniel. Will you give me the hammer, please, sir?
And you choose a team that works with you to avoid unexpected costs.
That's it? No additional cost?
Yeah, that's correct. No additional cost.
Call 484-748-7700 to upgrade your home with a team you don't have to protect your children from.